In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate and delete a page from a sales funnel on Systemi.io. Whether you're streamlining your sales process or simply tidying up your digital workspace, knowing how to manage your pages efficiently is crucial. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to log into your Systemi.io account. Start by heading over to the login page and entering your credentials. If this is your first time logging in or you've forgotten your details, make use of the forgot password behind option to retrieve your information promptly. Once logged in, click on the sign in button to access your Systemi.io dashboard. At first glance it might seem overwhelming with all the tabs and sections, but don't worry, I'll walk you through each step. Now direct your attention to the mouse pointer. You're going to hover over to the website section. This area is the gateway to your web management tools, which include options for blogs, courses, and importantly, sales funnels. Exactly what we're focusing on today. Next, click on Sales Funnels from the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of all the funnels you've created. This is where you organize the stages of your customer's journey and strategize your sales approach. Find and select the funnel that contains the page you want to duplicate or delete. If you've labeled your funnels clearly, this step should be straightforward. If not, consider spending some time organizing them for future ease. Now let's tackle duplication. Hover over the page you intend to duplicate within your chosen funnel. You'll notice a duplicate option pops up, usually in a small discrete menu. Clicking this option will create an exact copy of the page right there within your funnel. This function is particularly useful when you want to retain a page's layout or content as a template for future projects or campaigns. Switching gears now to deletion. Find the page you wish to remove and you'll see three small dots next to it. This is usually called an options menu. Click on the three dots and select remove from the drop down menu that appears. This action calls up a confirmation prompt, a safeguard against accidental deletions. If you're sure about deleting, click on confirm. Be mindful that once a page is deleted, recovering it can be complicated, so double check before you confirm, and that's it. Managing your sales funnel pages in Systemi.io is that simple. Knowing how to effectively duplicate and delete pages not only saves you time but also keeps your workspace clutter-free, allowing you to focus on engaging your audience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides.